Buti nakakain mo pa yung mga luto ko.
Shit! Spicy na agad ang tanong ni Ate
Hindi
Klang.
ka bang galit sa akin?
In front of me,
Gagi.
face person. So,
Gagi.
kung nasasabi ng papakatotoo ka, are you even happy to see me right now?
That's
Saying,
it.
I love you all. Do you love me? No, you don't.
Uy!
Narinig mo ako, when I started,
Wow, narinig mo ko. I love the tono.
Is betrayal really your thing, Izzy?
No.
Are you good enough, Riz?
Yeah?
Kaya mo ba to, bro?
Kulang siya sa discarded.
Are you gonna switch? Are you gonna fight? Ano? Tell me.
Dagatong talaga eh. Nagdadala dito eh. Yung gatong-gatong personalan pa lang.
And na-inlove mo ako kay Ralph?
Oh, easy.
Attitude talaga. Gusto ko yung attitude. Siyempre kung napanood na natin ang Dasbia, ito naman kay AZ at River. Let's watch this.
Hindi naman ako nagulat. Hindi ako nagulat. Alam ko naman na River na gustong-gusto mo akong ma-evict dito. Ilang beses mo akong binoto. Buti nakakain mo pa yung mga luto ko.
Shit! Spicy na agad ang tanong ni Ate
Hindi
Klang.
ka bang galit sa akin?
dapat ba may galit kapag ninominate?
Kasi hindi yung nakikita ko tuwing kakain tayo. I love you, Ate Klang. I love you.
May padripoy. Ginatungan pa ni Ashley. Ah.
Hindi mo ba ako ninominate?
Hindi natin alam. Pero ako, alam ko. So,
I
ganun pala.
appreciate what you do for the cooking. I appreciate everything you did in this house. But then when it comes to nomination, we have to choose someone.
Contradicting lang kasi base sa pagka...
Ang dami nilang may mga sources at mga references sila ng mga voting system nila.
alala ko, umiiyak ka pa, sabi mo, mas gusto mo pang lumabas. And now, walang karapat-dapat bumalik. Wow!
Attitude talaga. Gusto ko yung attitude.
I think there was a switch in my head. Because only now I want to fight. Because we're so close to Big Night. Honestly, when I came here, did I want to be big winner? Did I want to get to Big Night? No.
Ba't ka pa nag-join ng PBB?
Why did I join PBB?
Yeah.
Karakter talaga eh. Attitude kung attitude.
Narinig mo ako, when I started,
Wow, narinig mo ko. I love the
when I got,
tono ng pananalita ni
or even before
sarcastic, no? At the same time palaban.
I didn't even expect to reach this far.
Then why did you audition?
Paiyak na si River dito. Kitang-kita sa mata niya na anytime pag may isang tanong pa na sa pika niya, iiyak na talaga to.
Are you good enough, Riz?
Yeah?
Kaya mo ba to, bro?
Kulang siya sa discarded.
Are you gonna switch? Are you gonna fight? Ano? Tell me.
Dagatong talaga eh. Nagdadala dito eh. Yung gatong-gatong ng mga
Hindi niya
duo challengers.
Why do you guys deserve the Big Four spot?
Yeah.
Why? What have you done in this house?
I wish you guys were also in this spot.
Umiyak na. Umiyak na. Umiyak na
Get this
siya.
spot away?
No.
Then what?
I'm not just fighting for myself. I'm fighting for my family.
May kapalit pala, no? Pag naging big siya, big win.
Because I know I can help
Affected din talaga si Michael. Breakdown na.
fighting for.
It's always about other people.
Yeah, sabi mo, deserving ka, pero giveaway ka ng giveaway. Sacrifice for size. How much we cried, bro, when we left? I would do so much to be in your position. Fight for yourself, bro.
Hot
Kasi
seat.
you deserve that spot, man.
I want it badly!
Pare, pang Wattpad yung sitwasyon dito ni River. I want it badly. Next naman kay AZ.
Do you think you have been a good example?
Yes.
Yung totoo, Izzy.
I think I have been.
Why?
I've been so open inside this house to the point na I feel like I even overshare.
Paano ka naging nagpakatotoo sa akin? When you were right in front of me,
Gagi.
face person. So kung nasasabi ng papakatotoo ka, are you even happy to see me right now?
That's
Saying,
it.
I love you all. Do you love me? No, you don't.
Oy! Oh my God! They love this.
Naramdaman ko sa'yo kasi hindi ko din nakita na naging totoo ka.
Oh my
Ko lang,
God!
Izzy. Hindi ka nagpapakatotoo.
Dahil,
Uy,
Ano
taray!
sinabi mo sa akin?
Ang taray!
Nung sa Teresa Garden. When
Attitude.
you said
Ate
Kakampi
June.
kita. Is betrayal really your thing, Izzy?
No. You also voted me. You voted for River, but he's still my duo. Bakit hanapan mo
Ate
ba ng
Chona.
mali ng tao? Wala akong mali mahanap sa kanila.
Siyempre, hindi mo pwede hanapan si Ral. Iwalay mo lang ba si Larkin dahil na-inlove ka kay Ralph?
No?
Personalan pa lang.
And na-inlove ba ako kay Ralph?
Oh, easy.
Alam ko naman na, River, na gustong-gusto mo akong ma-evict dito. Ilang beses mo akong binoto. Buti nakawain mo pa yung mga luto ko.
Oh my God, that's it. Grabe ang spicy, no? Kayo, ano masasabi? Nagpapakatotoo ba talaga ang AZ at River duo? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Siyempre, kung hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. This has been CJ, guys, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!